on your left, Marco.
Copy that.
Module 9 coming through. Watch the seam. You're lined up. Keep it straight.
Ease it in. Yeah, right there.
Edge is clean, it's good down the line.
Every layer here is printed from a custom mix, lightweight but stronger than traditional concrete. Sensors in the walls feed data back as they're being formed. That means by the time we finish...
Copy that. Big pass starting in 3 seconds.
It's like watching a cathedral grow out of the floor.
What we're walking past are the large format printers. This first one is laying down the outer shell for a curved retaining wall, layer by layer,
Section 3
less than 4
complete.
millimeters
Starting
at a
pass
time.
4.
You can hear.
Oh, snug. Flashlight a little higher.
Got it. You're right on the guide rail.
Swap a nozzle. Thanks.
Torque specs highlighted here, 3 newton meters.
Done. Let's close it up.
Running homing sequence.
Looks good.
Mix on, pulling to the far edge. That's 598 millimeters.
Got it. Ridge depth reading 6.4, within spec.
Logging it.
Surface feels clean, no voids.
Good, let's move to the next panel.
Side 25 complete. Starting cost 27. Copy. Reinforcement cage coming in on your mark. Lock. Feeding down. Lock. You're clear. Print head lifting 3 mil. Adjusted.
The pump forces the cement-based mix through a reinforced line at 3,000 pounds per square inch. Each pulse drives the slurry toward the print head, while relief valves vent excess pressure to keep the flow.
Back. You got 4 feet. Copy that. 2, 1. Tube coming down. Lock. We're set.
Copy. Looks clean.
Glass is in.
Triple plasticizer going now. Nice and steady.
You look a fume next. Watch the dust.
Got it. I'll follow with fibers.
Looks smooth. Should pump clean through the nozzle.
Hay cosas armaron, takщо да съм тук, няма да се провоцирам.
Seat and levels dead center.
Roger that, release.
Sliding the 0.10 feeler under the nozzle, good contact. Dropping Z offset by 10 microns. Extrusion lays smooth at 0.4 millimeters. Locking the X rail at 1.2.
Layer 41 complete. Temperature's holding at 1270.
Copy. Printer 4 looks steady.
Confirmed. I'm seeing green across the board. Switching to multicam.
Roger that.
Roller coming out.
Got it. Alignment looks clean.
Dropping the new one in. There. Hear that click?
Yep. Tighten it down and we're good for the belt.
Transfer belt going in. Springs are seated.
Diagnostic ready.
Top's clear. It's going straight. Bring your side in a touch. There. Stay with me. Level reads perfect. Go ahead. Drive it. One more. Looks tight. That's it.
Layer lies very consistent. Width is 42.18. Locked. Setting up for compression.
Layer by layer, the printer deposits a precise ribbon of concrete, shaping stairs, beams, and the core of a building in miniature. Each pass leaves a rib texture that locks the next in place, a tiny testament.
Convoy 1, maintain 45. Lead module clear of the overpass, no obstacles ahead. Copy that. All loads stable. Spacing looks good. 10-4. Keep it rolling.
In Dubai's desert heart, the age-old craft of building meets the precision of robotics. Here, a printer lays concrete in perfect ribbons, while a few steps away, masons set bricks by hand.
The terrace steps are here, but they feel tighter than on the print.
You see how the curve pulls inward? Could be the material shrink.
Or the handrail thickness. If we thin it by 2 millimeters, the garden opens up.
Let's mark it.
Rest of them.
Interface is clean. See no voids at 40 millimeters.
Copy that. Reading?
3.48 megapascal. Bond integrity good.
Logged. Give me one higher up.
Moving now.
Laser grid stable. Ready for the next sweep.
In this indoor site, every task is handled by machines working in concert. Welding, printing, lifting, and transport happen at once, each robot aware of the others, adjusting in real time.
Copy. I'm keeping a light pass on the sealant. Let me know if it starts to bead.
Overtime's at 22. Gauge shows we're within spec. Looks good so far.
Nice. I'm feathering the edge now.
This line here is printing the load-bearing wall portion. You can see how each pass sets within about 5 minutes.
It's remarkably clean.
Right? And once it cures, we set panels like that bathroom pod in place.
Impressive.
Utilities come pre-routed, so in...
Copy. Feed me 2 more reds. On it. Driving. Done. Solid.
Break your 6 ties to this run.
Reading. Schematic. Voltage looks good.
Through the night, the printers don't rest. Layer by layer, they draw the building into existence, guided by millimeter-precise coordinates. The concrete cures in the cold air while engineers...
It's climbing 45 kilonewtons. There. Strain gauge is live. Deflections within prediction. Micro cracks starting along the print line's top flange. And failure at 58, that drop is clean. Capture...
Beneath the desert sun, Dubai's highways pulse with the movement of materials and people. Every lane, every ramp threads into a network built to keep innovation supplied.
In this lab, concrete isn't just gray. It's alive with recycled glass, polymer beads, and reclaimed fibers. Materials diverted from landfills and given a second life.
All right, bring it down slow, half a meter to go. Copy that. Keep it steady. It's drifting left. Line tight. Good, good. Pins are lining. Tension off the hook. Let's lock the seams. Straps clear. Another module ready.
Afternoon, Marco. I'm running the weekly safety sweep. How's the print progressing?
67%, holding temp steady.
Good. Respirators sealed, gloves intact. Keep the door closed unless you're actively cleaning.
General, what used to be landfill-bound rubble is sifted, ground, and given a second life. Here, crushed brick becomes aggregate. Splintered timber is turned into filament, and concrete dust is reborn.
Hold it steady right there. I'm going to swing the elbow.
B coming in.
Good. Slide it in. Right to the stop. Crimping.
Crimp looks clean.
Yeah, solid. Next line.
Being blue to the manifold.
Copy. Gauge coming up.
Each layer is deposited in less than 6 seconds, but the thermal profile takes minutes to stabilize. We're tracking that in real time.
This section.
And consistent. Climate control is the hidden craft behind durable concrete. These systems keep fresh slabs warm, humid, and consistent. Conditions that let cement
Window alignment's true, mullion's dead plumb.
There's a slight wave in the paint right up here. Logging that for touch-up.
Height reads exactly as drawn. Finish on the bench is smooth, no delum.
Great. With that, we're clear to sign off.
Approved.
Copy. Truck 3 leaves the depot in 24 minutes. I'm bumping steel delivery to gate C so the crane has a clear approach. Confirm with crane 2.
Crane 2 confirmed. They'll hold rotation until 1300.
Perfect. And reslot the prefab panels behind their convoy out.
As the nozzle passes each grid square, it lays a 5mm layer. The blue channels you see here are service conduits printed in place.
That's the same in the townhouse prototype, right?
Exactly. Same spec, but scale.
Flexibility millimeter is holding at 12 micrograms per cubic meter, nitrogen dioxide at 22. That's right where we expected it.
Log, trend line's flat for the last hour. You see any spikes?
A small rise when that vent site.
Today we proved that imagination, engineering, and community can reshape how we build. Let's open the doors.
Here's to the first of many more.
As you can see, the arm lays a 2-centimeter bead every 8 seconds. The layers interlock, giving the wall its strength.
The texture is remarkable.
Give me curing time. 24 hours before.
Need a hand with that box?
No, good, thanks.
Kids, watch the curb.
Come on, let's race to the door. You can't beat me.
Welcome to the block.
Feels good to see people moving in.
It really does. Thank you.
As each line of alloy is laid down, the sensor array scans the surface in real time. Microlasers, temperature probes, and a millimeter scale camera verify.
Preventive service keeps this printer running around the clock. Each screw torqued, each rail lubricated, every sensor checked before a problem appears. The result is smooth motion, consistent extrusion, and parts that finish.
Okay, here. This drop is material cost after the second print cycle. You see the difference compared to the gray line?
Yeah, it's shaving off about $40 a square foot. Labor's a big part of that.
And this column chart combines the site hours. Look, traditional.
Come on, this is Sector 2. Evacuation route Alpha is clear. Last group moving now.
Copy that, Sector 2. Log the time. Confirm head count and muster B when complete.
Understood. Route them to the unit.
Layer height is holding at 3mm and temperature's rock steady.
Moisture sensors are green too. The mix is behaving like we modeled.
15 more minutes and we'll start the cantilever test.
Can't wait to see how it carries.
Every beam, every circuit, every decision is preserved here. The archive records the life of a building from concept to completion. Models, scans, financials, even on...
What surprised me most was how quiet the house is. Those printed walls are thick and you barely hear the freeway anymore.
Same here. I used to crank the heat every winter, but the energy bills dropped by half this year.
As the sun drops behind the Arabian Gulf, the work here doesn't stop. Light bleeds over steel and concrete, then hands the site to its own electric glow. Day becomes night and the build goes on.
If we shift the court 12 meters north, we open up this courtyard for light.
And the lattice still carries the load?
Let me fade it. Yeah, there.
It does. See the stress map? Everything stays in the green, even with recycled polymer.
Today we hand over not just a house,
but a proof of what's possible when technology and community meet. Congratulations to the new owners.
Welcome home.
Let's make it official.
Every layer you see behind me was printed in less than 3 minutes. The arm learns the geometry as it goes, correcting for temperature and humidity in real time.
And the entire tower will be finished in months, not years.
Exactly.
Pumps 5 and 6 are offline. Last readout's logged.
Copy that, I'll mark them. Here's your cleaner.
Thanks. Once the panel's wiped, we're clear to power down the bay.
Cart's going back to storage.
Good. Lights out in 2.
Fantasy. In the heart of the desert, a new horizon rises. Layer by layer, these structures are printed, not poured. Crafted by autonomous machines working with millimeter precision. This is more than construction.